Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. এইমাত্র অন্যত্র নাহি শুনিয়াত ভূত যাহার সমানে চিত্ত অবধূত। কৃষ্ণ বৎসৈ রসংখ্যাপি সুখদেব বাণী। কৃষ্ণের সঙ্গে কত গোপ সংখ্যা নাহি জানি। Go, Krishna, in his abode, he is just like a 16-year-old boy, and his main pastime is to take the cows and the pasturing ground with his friends, boy friends, and play with them. This is Krishna's day's business. So, Sukadeva Goswami has written a very nice verse that these boys who are playing with Krishna, in their past life, they had accumulated heaps of pious activities. Kritapunna punya, sardhang jigarahu, ithang satang brahma sukhanubhutya. Now, Sukadeva Goswami is writing. Now these boys who are playing with Krishna, they are playing with whom? They are playing with the Supreme Absolute Truth, who is considered as impersonal by the great sages. Ithang satang Brahma, Brahma Sukha, Brahma transcendental, Brahma realization. The reservoir of Brahma realization is here, Krishna. So these boys who are playing with this Krishna, he is the reservoir of the Brahma realization. Ithang satang Brahma sukhanubhutya dasangatanang paradaivatena. And dasangatanang, those who have accepted the Supreme Lord as Master, that means devotees, for them this Krishna is the Supreme Lord. For the impersonalist, he is Supreme Brahma. And for the personalist, he is Supreme Lord. And maya sitanang naradaratena, and those who are under the spell of materialism, for them he is ordinary boy. Maya sitanang naradaratena, but sadhang vigaruhu kritamanna punya. With him, these boys who had accumulated millions and millions worth of pious activities, now they have got the opportunity of playing with Krishna face to face, just like ordinary boys play. So similarly, Krishna is very much fond of playing with his young boy friends. That is mentioned in the Brahma Samhita. And Labhi Ravipalayantam Lakshmi Sahasrasata Samnamase Brahmanam. So these things are explained here also. Eka Gop Kare Devasya Charan Koti Adbhut Shankha Padma Tara Kanan. Now, there are so many friends, cowherd boys, nobody can count. Nobody, unlimited, everything unlimited. They have unlimited number of cows, unlimited number of boyfriends, everything unlimited. Betra Venu Dal Singha Bhaktra Alankar Gop Ganesh Jato Tar Nahi Likha. Now these cowherd boys, they have got a cane in the hand, Betra. And each of them has got a flute also. Betra Venu doll and a lotus flower and a singer and a horn. Singer, Bastra, and very nicely dressed and full of ornaments. Just like Krishna is dressed Similarly, his friend, cowherd, was there also. In the spiritual world, when he'll go, he'll not be able to understand who is Krishna and who is not Krishna. Everyone is like Krishna. Similarly, in the Vaikuntha planet, everyone is like Vishnu. That is called Sadhya Mukti. The living entities, when they enter into the spiritual planet, they become as good as Krishna and Vishnu. There is no difference, because it is the absolute word. Here, the difference is there. The impersonalists, they cannot understand that even in individuality, there is no difference. As soon as they think of individuality, they think that there is difference. Then what is liberation? But actually there is no difference. The difference is only that Krishna's personality and others' personality, they are conscious that Krishna is our object of love. That's it. The center is Krishna. In this way, the individual boys and girls and Krishna, everyone is enjoying spiritual bliss.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,